Today we're going to be testing the NCP3337 series, which are an adjustable output voltage low dropout regulator evaluation boards from ON Semiconductor. For the purposes of this test, we will be using the MNAD JGEVB. The equipment we're going to be using for today's test include a DC power supply connected between VIN and ground, a signal generator connected between SD and ground, two multimeters, one to measure the output voltage between Vout and ground, and the other to measure the output voltage between PWRG and ground, and a DC electronic load. To begin the test, set the jumpers to the on position, to the external position, and to the PWRG supply on position. Now set your input voltage to what is required for the board being tested. In this case it is 2.9 volts, and turn it on. Next, set your signal generator to a square waveform with 50% duty cycle and a 2.5 volt peak-to-peak setting at 1 Hz, and turn it on. Next, you're going to want to check your Vout to make sure it matches with the board being tested. In this case it should be about 2.5 volts. And you want to check your PWRG output voltage to make sure it matches VIN, which in this case is 2.9 volts. Next, we're going to change the jumpers from the external to the internal position and from the on to the off position. And the PWRG supply jumper should remain in the on position. Next, check your output voltage to make sure it is what the board specifies. In this case it is 2.5 volts. And check your PWRG supply voltage to make sure it is VIN. In this case it is 2.9 volts. Next, we're going to increase the electronic load to 0.5 amps. And we want to make sure that our output voltage and our PWRG voltage remains the same. This concludes the test of the NCP3337. For more information, visit us online at www.onsemi.com or contact an authorized distributor.